Welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. For those of you who know me, my name is Sheila. And for those of you, if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to see you in here. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And as usual, if any comments that you have, please leave them. I want you to picture this scenario. It's Friday night. You're hungry. You want something. And this is particularly geared towards my college newbies. If this is your first year going to college, this is for you, especially. As I said, it's Friday night, you're hungry, you want something to eat, the cafeteria's closed, you don't have the coins to go out and get fast food. You don't have the coins to go out to Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Burger King, okay, even Popeyes. Well, I got something for you. I'm going to show you how to make your own Popeye sandwich. Specifically a chicken sandwich. You know what? Let's say it's better than Popeyes, okay? By the time I finish it, you are going to be making it on your own and having your friends make it as well, or make it for your friends. Anyway, it's really easy. Pay attention now. You can do this. Okay, everybody ready? All right, let's get started. I'm making a chicken sandwich with using just the stuff I have in my home pantry. I've got some hot sauce here. This is Slap Your Mama seasoning. I got a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, some salt, some paprika, some chili powder, some black pepper, and Montreal seasoning, and of course the chicken breasts. I will be marinating using yogurt to put my chicken in. I will be using yogurt to put my chicken in. Most of the time, recipes call for marinating chicken in like buttermilk or something similar to that. I'm using yogurt, and the reason being is that yogurt gently marinates and tenderizes better, where acidic stuff such as buttermilk or anything that has acid in it tends to toughen up the meat more. This way, this meat comes out nice and tender, and also the fact that the marinating time is less than it would be for, let's say, buttermilk. Most recipes call for overnight marinating. This calls for up to 30 minutes. So that's why I'm using this. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start the oil and heat that up. By the time I finish getting everything together, the marinade will be ready. So I go ahead and dip the chicken into the flour. Make sure I shake off the excess flour. I have about 4 pieces that I'm going to be making today. So I will continue to do that and get them ready for the hot oil to fry. Once the oil is hot, I will put the chicken into the pan along with the other pieces and let it fry for about 3 minutes. And this is the end result. Look at these golden pieces of chicken. Don't they look delicious? So how did you like that? Do you think you can do this? Of course you can. I'm telling you, it's going to come in handy, especially for those days when you don't have the coins or the cafeteria's Krellos and you are mad hungry, okay? Believe me, you can do this. Please let me know how it came out. Leave your comments, ask me questions. Auntie Sheila's got your back. All right now, talk to you later. Be safe. Bye.